Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is logo bundle. Total file is 2500 plus with the preview file, and size is 5.87 GB, but don't worry, I will make it in part. Okay. And these are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime all password. In this app, our second option, iPhone user, is contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will tell you. And here is two different logo, one for Adobe Illustrator, that's mean AI APS file, and next is BSD for latest Photoshop version. Here is badge logo pack. Here is 5 different badge. First is Hunter. You see 10 hunters. Editable text full Victor lead, so you can edit everything. And these files for Adobe Illustrator. Here is just a preview file. And next is CTR for Corel Draw user, and here is I think Adobe Illustrator or PSD, I don't know. Same thing here. Wow. With font file, here is motorcycle. Okay, this file for Adobe Illustrator, you can add it in Illustrator. Cartoon logo 1 for Adobe Illustrator, love cat, quick fix, and a bill dog or a big dog. Cartoon logo, this in zip file you can extract. Cool monkey, cosmetic logo. Makeup center like a mirror, you can edit it, write a 2022. Beauty lips, so you can add it in Adobe Illustrator. Here is PNG, APS and AI file. Here is a zip file, you can add it and in Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Logo and icon pack, PSD. Wow. Here is Wolf Victor in Adobe Illustrator. Woman logo, JPG. Wow. Vintage. With fonts, you can use a fonts. Here is vintage logo with different file format. Outdoor logo, write anything in Adobe Illustrator. Here is two different file, preview, a PNG file, JPG, and here is a 100 logo with three different format: PSD for Photoshop, RGB for digital, and CMYK for print. Preview images here. Wow, amazing. No. I'll say again, password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now in $2.99. I hope these logos are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of the office.